We all have dreams, dreams of financial freedom, of early retirement, of living life on our terms. We envision a life where we can explore the world, pursue our passions, and spend quality time with loved ones without the constant worry of financial constraints. But for many, these dreams remain just that, dreams. They seem distant and unattainable, like mirages in a desert. They're stuck in a cycle of working, paying bills, and struggling to make ends meet. The daily grind consumes their energy and hope. The secret to breaking free? It lies in a simple yet powerful concept: understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. This knowledge can transform your financial landscape. This is the key that unlocks the door to wealth. It's the foundation upon which financial success is built. The rich understand this difference. They leverage it to their advantage, creating streams of income that work for them. They build their wealth by acquiring assets, things that put money in their pockets, while the poor often find themselves trapped in a cycle of liabilities, things that take money out of their pockets. It's not about how much money you make, but about how you manage it. Financial literacy is the true game changer. Your financial destiny is not determined by your paycheck, but by your understanding of this fundamental principle. The good news is, anyone can learn to think like the rich. It's a skill that can be developed with time and effort. You don't need a fancy degree or a trust fund. What you need is the right mindset and the willingness to learn. It's about changing your mindset, adopting new habits, and making informed decisions. Understanding the game of money and making smart choices that build long-term wealth. It's about taking control of your finances, setting clear goals, and working towards them with determination. Understanding the game of money and making smart choices that build long-term wealth. It's about taking control of your finances and creating a future where your money works for you, not the other way around. By making informed decisions and staying committed to your financial goals, you can turn your dreams into reality, and creating a future where your money works for you, not the other way around. Not the other way around. Assets are your money-making machines. They are the foundation of financial independence and wealth creation. They put money in your pocket even while you sleep. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your assets have been working for you all night. Imagine a tree bearing fruit. You didn't have to work for each piece of fruit, but you get to enjoy the harvest. This is the beauty of having assets. Assets work the same way. They continuously generate income, providing you with financial security and freedom. What are some examples of assets? Think of rental properties. These properties provide a steady stream of rental income. Every month the rent flows in like clockwork. This consistent income can help cover expenses and build wealth over time. Businesses are another great example. They not only generate income but also have the potential to grow and expand. They generate income and can appreciate in value over time. Owning a successful business can be a significant asset. Stocks, bonds, and other investments can also be powerful assets, providing dividends and potential for growth. These financial instruments can diversify your income sources. Even something as simple as a book you've written can become an asset. Your creative work can generate royalties for years to come. The royalties from each sale flow in, creating a passive income stream. This is a great way to monetize your talents and skills. The key is to focus on acquiring assets that generate income and appreciate in value over time. By doing so, you can build a solid financial foundation for the future. Liabilities, on the other hand, are the financial drains in your life. They are the expenses and debts that continuously pull money out of your pocket, making it harder to save or invest. They take money out of your pocket month after month, creating a cycle that can be difficult to break. They are the financial burdens that keep you tethered to the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, making it challenging to get ahead financially. Think about a beautiful house with a hefty mortgage. It might look like an asset on the surface, but in reality, it's a liability until it's fully paid off. While it might seem like an asset, it's actually a liability until it's paid off. The monthly mortgage payments, along with property taxes and maintenance costs, can significantly drain your income. Every month, the mortgage payment, property taxes, and maintenance costs drain your income, leaving you with less money to save or invest. Cars are another prime example of liabilities. They may be necessary, but they come with their own set of financial burdens. New cars especially depreciate in value the moment you drive them off the lot. This immediate loss in value is just the beginning. Add to that the costs of insurance, gas, and maintenance, and you've got yourself a money pit. These ongoing expenses can add up quickly, making it hard to manage your finances. credit card debt, student loans, and even that fancy new gadget you just had to have. These are all liabilities that eat away at your financial well-being. They may seem small individually, but together, they can create a significant financial burden. Section 4. Breaking the cycle. From liabilities to assets. The key to breaking free from the cycle of liabilities is to start thinking like the rich. It's about shifting your mindset from consumer to investor, from spender to owner. It's about making your money work for you, instead of the other way around. Start by tracking your expenses. Where is your money going each month? Identify and eliminate unnecessary spending. Then, start saving. Even small amounts saved consistently can add up over time. Once you have some savings, it's time to start investing. Remember, the rich don't buy liabilities disguised as assets. They invest in income-generating assets that will build their wealth over the long term. Educate yourself about different investment options and seek guidance from financial advisors to make informed decisions. Section 5. A call to action. Invest in your future. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step, a decision to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. It's about changing your mindset, understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, and making smart choices that align with your financial goals. Remember, financial literacy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Invest in yourself, read books, attend seminars, and learn from financial experts. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the world of money and build a secure future. The path to financial freedom is within your reach. Take the first step today. Start thinking like the rich, invest in your future, and make your dreams a reality. As you embark on this journey to financial freedom, remember that you are not alone. The power of community can amplify your efforts and accelerate your progress. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and aspirations. Join online forums, participate in local meetups, and engage with social media groups dedicated to financial literacy and growth. Together, you can share tips, offer support, and hold each other accountable. The collective wisdom and encouragement of a community can be a game changer in your financial journey. So take that first step, invest in your future, and leverage the power of community to make your dreams a reality. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content to help you achieve financial success. Remember, the path to financial freedom is a shared journey. Let's walk it together. Until next time, stay motivated, stay informed, and stay focused on your goals.